In this video, I will show you how you can deposit money on Exness. So it's very easy. Firstly, you need to make sure your account is verified. So you need to complete this profile and you need to add everything what they want. And then you just want to open my accounts under trading. And from here, you want to choose your real account to which you want to deposit money. So if you don't have real account opened yet, you can click on this open account button. And from here, you can choose your account type. So let's say this is standard, then click on continue. You can choose real, or you can also create a demo account if you want to try the trading without risk. Then just click on real. And from here, you can choose currency in which you want to trade. So I want to trade in euros. Then you can choose your nickname. So let's say test. You can also set a leverage here. So let's say 1 to 100. And platform, you can keep this on MT5. And then you just want to set your trading password. Make sure to remember it and then click on create account. And once your account is created, you should see it here under my accounts. And then to be able to make deposit, you just want to click on deposit next to it. And from here, as I said, you need to have verified your account. You can't deposit money if your account is not verified. And then once your account is verified, you can deposit with Bitcoin or bank card, or you have also Skrill, Neteller, and many different currencies like Tron, Ethereum, and that's pretty much it. So then after selecting, let's say bank card, you just want to set amount which you want to deposit, and then you want to add your card details here, and then you will be able to deposit money. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.